ठीक है। जैसे एक ट्रैफिक जैम में अगर हम फंसे हैं, ठीक है, इतनी सारी बसें आ रही है, कार्स है, रिक्शा है, तो क्या हम हर कार रिक्शे पे ध्यान देते हैं? नहीं। हमारा लक्ष्य कहाँ होता है? द बस नंबर, दैट पर्टिकुलर बस वी वांट टू कैच, और दैट पर्टिकुलर कैब वी आर वेटिंग फॉर. विथ मी एवरीबody? Okay, we don't get attached to all these vehicles on the road. There are buses flowing, autos and bikes, so your thoughts are like that. Okay, lots and lots of them. Okay, you don't have to get attached to it. You have to be focused on what you want, and we are here for gratitude today. Gratitude मतलब कृतज्ञता हिंदी और मराठी में. थैंकफुल रहना, थैंक यू बोलना. हमारे लाइफ में जो ब्यूटीफुल ब्लेसिंग्स है, जो भी हमारे लाइफ में हम प्रिविलेज को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, फॉर द फैक्ट दैट वी आर अलाइव राइट नाउ, ये सब चीजों के लिए थैंक यू बोलना, जिसे हम ग्रेटिट्यूड कहते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी पावरफुल मेडिटेशन, और खासकर जब साथ में हम सब करते हैं, जब साथ में इकट्ठा होके करते हैं, तो उसकी पावर इज एट द नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके, सो द पावर इज एट द नेक्स्ट लेवल. इट्स वेरी वेरी पावरफुल. ओके, सो राइट नाउ व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू इज, एक एक्टिविटी करनी है. ठीक है, आई वांट यू टू क्लोज योर आईज एंड गेट अप फ्रॉम योर प्लेस. गेट अप फ्रॉम योर प्लेस, वॉक टू योर किचन विथ क्लोज्ड आईज. आपका लैपटॉप फोन वहीं पे रहने दीजिए. किचन जाइए, बंद आंखों से अपने लिए एक गिलास पानी का भर के आइए, और आंखें बंद रखिए और वापस आइए. ठीक है, आई गिव यू 2 minutes फॉर दिस, अराउंड 1.5 minutes. आंखें बंद करके आप आपके किचन में जाइए पानी लेने के लिए, पानी का ग्लास भरिए और फिर से वापस आइए. All right, everybody, have you done that? अगर आपने ये किया है तो मुझे बोलिए कितना आसान था, कितना डिफिकल्ट था. हमारे घर में आंखें बंद करके जब आपको पानी लेना था, कितनी डिफिकल्टी आपको फेस करनी पड़ी. आज का मेडिटेशन ग्रैटिट्यूड के बारे में है, थैंक यू बोलने के बारे में है. और जो मेडिटेशन हम स्टार्ट करेंगे उसमें सबसे पहले हम ग्रैटिट्यूड देंगे हमारे बॉडी को. ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी का जो टाइम चालू है, कोरोना कोविड-19, ओके, और हमारे बहुत ही करीबी लीडर को हमने खोया है. इट इज अ वेरी बिग लॉस टू अस, एंड आई वांट यू ऑल टू रियलाइज कि आप, हम कितने privileged है, how privileged we are to simply be alive and to be able to see. Can you imagine what struggle life would be? छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए अगर आपको struggle करना पड़े, if you were blind and if you could not just get the things that you want. ठीक है, ये एक्टिविटी, छोटी सी एक्टिविटी, सिंपल एक्टिविटी सिर्फ इसके लिए थी, ये बोलने के लिए that how much powerful your sense of eyes is, and that you are able to see. Life is so easy for you. Think of everyone who cannot see. Okay, now next activity, I want you to all close your nose. Come on, close your nose, hold your breath for as long as you can. Do that. Hold your breath for as long as you can. And the moment you feel suffocated, please open. Okay, and again, that's another privilege you're enjoying right now, my dear friend. Please do not take your breathing and oxygen for granted. Let me tell you, people are struggling and gasping for breath. One oxygen cylinder is costing 44,000 rupees. For you right now, it is free, my dear friend. आपके लिए ये अभी फ्री है. ओके, सो पूरे ग्रैटिट्यूड मेडिटेशन में हम हमारी सांसों के लिए, ब्रेथ के लिए बहुत ग्रेटफुल रहेंगे. ठीक है, सो कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए हम ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाए तो कितना सफोकेशन हुआ. तो सोचिए जो लोग अभी बीमार है वो क्या फील कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, मुझे ज्यादा बीमारी के बारे में बात नहीं करना है, क्योंकि फेसबुक खोलो, टीवी खोलो, व्हाट्सएप खोलो, बस यही चालू है। ठीक है, तो ज्यादा मुझे बात नहीं करना है। आज हम सिर्फ बात करेंगे हमारे ग्रेटिट्यूड में जिन चीजों का हमको प्रिविलेज है। प्रिविलेज मतलब what we are grateful for. We are grateful for this healthy body and a mind. ज्यादा तो मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूंगी, लेकिन अगर हिंदी आपको समझ में आएगा, वट एवर लैंग्वेज यू स्पीक, इंग्लिश सिंपल है, आपको समझ में आएगा। ठीक है, 3 टाइप की ब्रेथ हम यूज करेंगे। एक है नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग। नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग इज जस्ट ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट, सबको समझ में आया नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग, ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट। ठीक है, सेकेंड टाइप की ब्रीदिंग करेंगे जब मैं बोलूंगी एक्सहेल लॉन्गर। एक्सहेल लॉन्गर मतलब आपको सांस जो छोड़नी है वो लंबी छोड़नी है। ओके, मैं बताती हूँ कैसे। ब्रीद इन और सांस लंबी छोड़ना मतलब लंबी सांस छोड़नी है, अपने स्टमक को पूरी तरह से अंदर पुल करना है। ठीक है, इसका साइंटिफिक रीजन ये है कि बॉडी में से जो सारे टॉक्सिन्स है, जो सारी नेगेटिविटी है, वो बाहर निकालनी है। ठीक है, ऑक्सीजन को जितना लेना है अंदर और टॉक्सिन्स को बाहर निकालना है। थर्ड ब्रेथ को बोलते हैं बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग। ठीक है, ये ब्रीदिंग कैसे करनी है मैं बताऊंगी आपको, डोंट वरी, जस्ट पहले बोल के रख रही हूँ सो दैट आपका ध्यान नहीं भटके। बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग बहुत ही पावरफुल होती है। ब्रीद इन करना है और पूरे मेडिटेशन में लंबी लंबी और गहरी सांसें लेनी है। ठीक है, अभी ये रहा एक एक साइड बॉक्स का। ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5, मैं बोलूंगी होल्ड, तो आपको सांस को होल्ड करना है, सांस छोड़नी नहीं है, सांस को होल्ड करना है, मतलब ऑक्सीजन को खुद के अंदर रखना है। ओके, ऑक्सीजन को खुद के अंदर रखना है और विजुअलाइज करना है कि आपके पेट से ऑक्सीजन हार्ट में जा रहा है और आपके ब्रेन में भी जा रहा है, ब्रेन को पूरी तरह से एनलाइटन कर रहा है और एनर्जाइज कर रहा है। ठीक है, फिर सांस जब आप छोड़ोगे तो भी मैं आपको होल्ड बोलूंगी, तो फिर आपकी सांस बाहर जा रही है और फिर से आपको होल्ड कर रहे हो। ठीक है, ओके, यू आर होल्डिंग इट एंड देन यू आर टेकिंग अनदर ब्रेथ। गॉट इट? सो इनहेल, होल्ड, एक्सहेल, होल्ड। सांस अंदर लेनी है, होल्ड करना है, एक्सहेल करना है, होल्ड करना है। ठीक है, बाकी लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। You can light your candle if you have a candle, just light it and you'll feel. For the next 15 to 20 minutes, we will meditate. Okay. Make sure you are completely relaxed. You are wearing comfortable clothes. बैठे रहिए, sit straight. But if you feel like going to the washroom, you feel like changing your position, feel free to do that. जैसे मैंने बोला कि ध्यान देना है, लेकिन अगर ध्यान भटक रहा है तो उसे भटकने दो, उसको वापस लेके आओ। मैग्नेटिक कॉम्पस कैसे होता है, कौन से डायरेक्शन में फेस करता है? द मैग्नेटिक कॉम्पस फेसेस द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, करेक्ट? एंड यू मूव द डायरेक्शन, you move it to the south, you move it to the west. What it does again? It again points back to the north. So what is your true north? What is the true north? Your life purpose, the things that you want in life, and that is gratitude, happiness, peace, joy, abundance, wealth, and all good things in life. That is your true north, my dear friend. So ध्यान भटकने दो इधर उधर, बस उसको वापस लेके आओ, like a compass, bring it back to your true north. Okay? और मैंने आपको ट्रैफिक सिग्नल का भी एग्जाम्पल दिया है, जैसे ट्रैफिक में गाड़ियां आती जाती है, रिक्शे आते जाते हैं, पूरा रोड में भीड़ होता है, लेकिन आपका ध्यान कहाँ पे होता है? उस कैब पे होता है जो आपने बुक की है, उस बस पे होता है जो बस आपको पकड़नी है। तो इसी तरह से अगर थॉट्स आ रहे जा रहे तो आने दो, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व। आपका ध्यान आप सिर्फ आपके गोल पे रखना, जस्ट कीप योर लक्ष्य एट वन प्लेस। ओके, enjoy yourself and let's begin. So I have my son who's going to play this beautiful hang drum to just clear the place. Come here. So there's this very beautiful spiritual instrument called as a happy drum. You may be not be able to see. Aditya, yeah. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Take. Okay, just take from you. Quick, quick, extra. Okay, let's take 3 deep breaths. And make a list of things that you are grateful for. Pen and paper say, make a list of things that you're grateful for. कौन सी चीजों को आप थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं? Write down what you are grateful for. People, places, things. Take deep breaths, normal breathing, deep breaths. And just imagine that your crown is opening, your head, your crown is opening, your heart is opening. And you're open to receive abundance, blessings. You're open to receive lots of money, lots of gratitude, love. Just see yourself opening up. Just visualize your heart is opening up, your head is opening up. Keep your body in an open position. Just visualize yourself spreading your arms to the universe. Take deep breaths and continue relaxing. Wherever in your body you are experiencing any tension, just release. Just release. अपने सर को रिलैक्स कीजिए, हाथों को रिलैक्स कीजिए, कंधों को रिलैक्स कीजिए, पूरी बॉडी को रिलैक्स कीजिए. Relax your hands, legs, and experience a feeling of lightness. Just experience a feeling of lightness. And bring the feeling of gratitude in your heart. कृतज्ञता की भावना को अपने मन में जगाइए. और सबसे पहले हम हमारी जिंदगी को थैंक यू बोलेंगे. Let's say thank you to our life. Let's begin by saying thank you to our body. Let's say thank you to our body. हमारे आंखों को thank you बोलते हैं. Let's say thank you to our eyes. Let's say thank you to our eyes. We get to see all the beautiful things. Our life is so easy because we can see. So let's be thankful to our eyes. Let's be thank you to our ears, our mouth. Let's be thankful to all our 5 senses. अपनी आँखों के साथ, कानों के साथ, नोज के साथ कनेक्ट कीजिए और बहुत सारा प्यार दीजिए. Give it lots of love. Lots of love. Lots of love to your eyes. Lots of love to your nose, your mouth, your ears. हमारे लिए हमारी बॉडी 24 आवर्स काम करती है. देखो, जान है तो जहान है. If your body is healthy and active, then you can achieve any goal in your life. Health is truly the wealth. So let us give lots of love, lots of love, lots of love, lots of love. An infinite gratitude. A huge thank you. Slowly, I want you to shift your attention to your heart. I want you to keep your hands on your heart. Everyone, please keep your hands on your heart. अपने हाथों को दिल पे रखिए और अपने हार्ट बीट को महसूस कीजिए. Just feel your heartbeat. And I want you to send lots and lots and lots of love to your heart. And say a big thank you to your heart for working so hard, for unstoppably beating for you. Imagine all that pumping, all the hard work it does for you. Connect to the rhythm of your heartbeat. and say a huge thank you to your heart. I want you to shift your attention to your lungs. Shift your attention to your lungs. And say a huge thank you to your lungs. Huge thank you to your lungs. And gratitude to your lungs. अब इमेजिन कीजिए कि आपके लंग्स एकदम स्ट्रांग हो रहे हैं. They're becoming very strong. और अभी हम डीप ब्रीदिंग करेंगे और उसमें हम जो हमारा एक्सेल है वो लंबा रखेंगे. Okay, ready everybody? So let's take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs up. Fill your lungs up with all the oxygen. Fill your lungs up with all the oxygen. And do that with a feeling of love, gratitude, and power. Fill your lungs up and hold the oxygen in your body. Just hold it. Just hold it. And feel like what it is to feel this life inside you. Feel the oxygen inside you. There are people all over the world who are suffering and who desperately need oxygen. You are getting it for free right now. So give your immense gratitude. Thank you बोलिए अपने lungs को. और अभी सांस छोड़नी है और लंबी सांस छोड़नी है और पूरे जो नेगेटिविटी है उसको बॉडी से बाहर निकालना है. लंबी सांस छोड़िए. पेट को अंदर खींचिए. पेट को अंदर खींचिए. Out, 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 out. All the negativity out. All the fear, all the self-doubt, guilt, jealousy, सब बाहर निकाल दीजिए. गुस्से को बाहर निकाल दीजिए. और एक लंबी सांस लेंगे और ये लंबी सांस हम प्यार से लेंगे. सो अभी हमको हमारे लंग्स में क्या भरना है? प्यार, ग्रैटिट्यूड, केयरिंग, passion, inspiration, curiosity, motivation. Let's take a deep breath in and just visualize all this love and gratitude filling up your lungs. Take a deep breath in. Fill up your lungs, fill up your lungs. Expand, expand, expand to the universe. Expand beyond your limitations. Fill up your body with oxygen and hold it. Hold it there. Hold the oxygen in your body. Feel the oxygen in your body. Hold your breath. सांस को छोड़िए मत. रोके रखिए सांस को और पूरे बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन महसूस कीजिए. पेट से धीरे धीरे ऑक्सीजन ऊपर जा रहा है, लंग्स में जा रहा है, हमारे स्पाइन में जा रहा है, बैकबोन में जा रहा है, वहां से अपने ब्रेन में जा रहा है. Body, your entire body is lightening up with this power. सांस को छोड़िए and visualize all the negativity going out of your body. All the negativity going out of your body. Out, 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 out. Let go of the fear, let go of the anger, गुस्सा, डर, self-doubt. Out, 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 out. Hate, नफरत, सब बाहर निकाल दीजिए. सारा कचरा बाहर निकाल दीजिए. Keep holding and now take a deep breath in and visualize confidence, visualize love, gratitude filling up your lungs. Take a deep breath in and hold. Feel your lungs, feel the power in your lungs. Keep your hand on your heart. I want you to feel how that feels. Feel your chest, feel your heart expanding. Hold the oxygen in your body. Be grateful to it. Be grateful to it. This is life, my dear friends. This is life. Your breath is your life. Your lungs, your heart, they are working very hard for you. Give it lots of love, lots of gratitude. And now exhale, a deep exhale. Out, 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 out. Let go of all the negativity, toxins, worries. Out, 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 out. Hold your stomach in, hold your stomach in. Let go, and release. Slowly take a deep breath in. And continue normal breathing. Let's say a huge thank you, infinite gratitude to our intestines, our digestive system. It's working very hard for us. Let us give a huge gratitude to our excretory organs. It is so important. It is so important. Lots of love to our kidneys, to the urinary bladder. It's so important to let go and excrete. Experience a sense of gratitude every time you pass your motions. It keeps your body clean. Huge gratitude to the excretory organs. Infinite gratitude to your thighs, your legs, your hands, your legs. Imagine they take you everywhere. They take you everywhere. You're standing tall on your feet. You're carrying the weight of your entire body. Your body does miracles for you. It's a miraculous machine created by God. And it's capable of doing amazing things. Just allow your body to be, give it huge gratitude, lots of love. Love and accept yourself, love and accept your body. That's right, that's right. And I want you to now give infinite gratitude, huge gratitude to your parents. अपने माता पिता को थैंक यू बोलेंगे. याद रखिए, उनको हम सबसे ज्यादा फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं. We take them for granted most. There's one person you take most for granted. They're your parents. A huge gratitude to them. Just visualize giving a tight hug to your mom. Mother's Day is coming up. You don't have to wait for a special day to say thank you to your mom. No matter what they have done, no matter, they did their best. They did the best that they could. Just forgive them and give them a tight hug. Give a tight hug to your mom, to your dad. You can visualize your grandparents. Give them a tight hug. And I want you to visualize all the people whom you want to say thank you to. So जो लोग हमारी मदद करते हैं, हमारे friends, हमारे colleagues, हमारी team, boss, senior, subordinates, friends, जिनके साथ हम networking करते हैं, हमारे रिश्तेदार. So a huge thank you to all the people. Experience the infinite gratitude and say a huge thank you to all these people. Visualize all these people in front of your eyes right now. Fill your heart with lots of love, lots of gratitude to all these people. Finite blessings, love, gratitude to everyone. That's right. I want you to visualize some people who have hurt you. And yes, you have to be grateful to them because they've taught you valuable lessons. And believe me, each and every person you meet, each and every situation that you come across is taking you to your highest good. सब कुछ हमारे अच्छे के लिए होता है. जो भी अच्छे बुरे अनुभव है, सब अच्छे के लिए, सब हमें प्रोग्रेस की तरफ लेके जा रहा है और हमें एक बेहतर इंसान बना रहा है. So visualize all the people who have hurt you right now. जिन्होंने आपको दुख दिया है, दर्द दिया है, धोखा दिया है. Let's visualize all of them. तो अपने आंखों के सामने लाइए. उन्हें थैंक यू बोलिए. एकदम दिल से. उनके आंखों में आंखें मिलाइए, उनको थैंक यू बोलिए. Say thank you and let go. Let's give infinite gratitude to Mother Earth. आंखों के सामने पृथ्वी को देखिए. हम इसको माँ कहते हैं, पृथ्वी माँ कहते हैं, मदर नेचर कहते हैं. You really treat it like mother nature. जिस तरह से हम हमारे माँ से प्यार करते हैं, उसी तरह से मदर नेचर, अर्थ के लिए, पृथ्वी के लिए आंखों के सामने इमेजिन कीजिए और इसे खूब सारा प्यार, खूब सारा ग्रैटिट्यूड दीजिए. This is a tough time for everyone. और जब ऐसे चैलेंज आते हैं, जैसे कोविड-19 है, ये एक तरीका होता है मदर नेचर का हमारे साथ कम्युनिकेट करने का. हमको कुछ बता रही है, हमको कुछ सिखा रही है. इसके साथ कनेक्ट करें. कम्युनिकेट करें. ढेर सारा प्यार. Lots of love to Mother Nature. Lots of love, infinite gratitude, blessings to Mother Nature, to trees, to rivers, to oceans, to mountains, to valleys, to the birds, to the animals. To the sunrise, to the sunset, to the sea, the high tide, to the low tide. The day and night. Visualize yourself giving Mother Earth, Prithvi को एक tight hug दीजिए. Just give it a tight hug. And let's pledge to be more responsible and more mindful, more sensitive towards Mother Nature. Visualize all COVID warriors. Let's say a huge, huge thank you Gratitude to all the COVID warriors, the doctors, to the nurses, to the ward boys, ward ladies, everyone who's involved in the entire operations of delivering the medicines, and operations for all the hospitals, clinics, dispensaries. A huge gratitude to all of them. Huge gratitude to the house help, housemaid, the plumbers, to the electricians, to the vegetable vendors, to the grocery, the people to come home to collect the garbage. Let's be a little sensitive towards their needs. Life is really, really tough for them. I think that's little that we can do, is just be a little more empathetic and sensitive towards their needs. Huge gratitude to all of them. Courier boys, the delivery boys, huge gratitude. A huge heartfelt gratitude to technology. Believe me, it's magic. It's a privilege we enjoy. Huge thank you to Zoom, WebEx, Microsoft Teams, or all the online platforms that have helped us connect, stay connected, work from home. Imagine what life would be without that. Huge gratitude to our mobile phones, to the operating systems, the apps that we use. Huge gratitude to Google, YouTube. Huge gratitude to Wi-Fi. Let's say a huge gratitude to all the gadgets that we use. All the gadgets that we use. Mobile phones, laptops, desktops. Huge gratitude to all the machines, refrigerators, AC. Say a huge thank you to electricity. Thank you to water. If you have 24 hours water, be grateful for it. And I want you to be thank you every time you open the tap. There are people who struggle to get water. They walk miles to get water. Fight to get water. If you have an abundant supply of water, be very, very grateful. Thank you to all the 5 elements: earth, metal, water, fire, air, sky, space, ether. We are made of all these elements. Let's become one with the elements. It's a huge gratitude to all the elements. Huge gratitude to books, media. Huge gratitude to vehicles. If you have a vehicle, whether it's a bike, car, whatever, you're blessed. You can use it in times of emergency. Let's give a huge gratitude. For the next 2 minutes, keep on experiencing this beautiful feeling of gratitude. और इसको और intensify कीजिए, इसको और बढ़ाइए, इसको double कर दीजिए, triple कर दीजिए. Just intensify it, multiply the feeling of gratitude. Visualize this feeling throughout your body, in your head, in your heart, expanding through you, reaching out to the entire world, entire universe. You are the universe. You are the universe. And the universe is you're made of stardust. It means you are a superstar or a rock star already. The next minutes, let's just focus on this feeling of gratitude. And just ease out your facial muscles, bring a smile on your face. If there's anything or anyone that you can think of that you want to be thankful to, just visualize the person, place, or thing. And just vibrate gratitude from your head to toe. How would it feel like to just vibrate in this amazing, blissful feeling of gratitude, love, happiness, peace, bliss, serenity? There are no limits. The only limits that you create is in your mind. And right now, if you can experience all of these beautiful feelings, which means that you can experience these feelings anytime, even when you are not meditating. You can experience these feelings right the moment that you wake up. You can experience these feelings while you're having your breakfast, while you're exercising, while you're walking, while you're talking, while you are at your work, while you feel disturbed, while you feel upset, while you feel put down, let down. You can bounce back and come back to this beautiful sanctuary that you have created right now, this bliss feeling that you've created right now. Just stay anchored to it. Just stay hooked on to it. Feel how it feels in your body. That's right. And now for the next 1 minute, let's do blessings for everyone who's suffering right now from COVID. And let's do blessings for their families. If there is someone particular you know of, आपके जान पहचान में अगर कोई है तो उनको विजुअलाइज कीजिए अपने आंखों के सामने और उनको बहुत प्यार, बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स भेजिए। और ऐसे विजुअलाइज कीजिए कि आप उनको ऑक्सीजन भेज रहे हैं। और अभी आप लंबी लंबी सांसें लीजिए। सो आई एम ब्रीदिंग फॉर माय फ्रेंड। Take your friend's name or your person's name whom you know in your mind. If you don't know anyone, just visualize anyone. There are lakhs of people who want this breath. Can you just deep breathe for them right now? Deep breathe for the next 1 or 2 minutes. Breathing for my friend right now. Sending him lots of oxygen, lots of power, lots of strength. Lots of inner strength. And deep breathe. Be thankful to the free oxygen, and at the same time, care about someone you know who's suffering right now. And lots of love, lots of gratitude, lots of life, lots of life-giving oxygen. And now I'm going to take you on a journey of possibilities, on a journey of your goals, of all things that you love and desire, and everything that you deserve. So pack your bags, pack your bags. Everybody ready to pack your bags? But now this is a small bag that you can pack. Okay, एक छोटी सी बैग आप पैक कर सकते हैं, छोटी सी बैकपैक आप पैक कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जितना आप लाइट ट्रैवल करेंगे उतना आप दूर जा पाएंगे, उतना आप फ्लाई कर पाओगे. सो यू हैव टू ट्रैवल वेरी वेरी लाइट, यू हैव टू पैक अ वेरी स्मॉल बैग. नाउ यू हैव अ चॉइस, इस बैग में आप क्या पैक करेंगे? विल यू पैक worries, or will you pack joy? So just visualize now, just visualize that you can pack as much as joy you can in this bag. So with your hand, put lots of joy in the bag. Everybody just visualize putting lots of joy in the bag. Put lots of happiness in the bag. Come on, you can be greedy now. You can be greedy now for all the joy and happiness. Put lots of confidence. अगर आप आत्मविश्वास ये बैग में भर सकते तो आप कितना भरते? Come on, add lots and lots of confidence to this bag. Now add lots of abundance, lots of money, lots of abundance, lots of possibilities, lots of opportunities. Just keep on adding it to this bag. Add lots of inspiration. And now let's go on a journey. Let's go on a journey. And just visualize yourself flying high. Achieving all your goals, and just allow yourself to fly. Visualize your dream life, your ideal life. as you're on this journey of your dream life and your goals, you can add all the beautiful things that you see in your bag. You have a choice. What will you add to your bag? Are you going to add worries? Are you going to add self-doubt, fear? No. You're going to add the stars. You're going to add the beautiful raindrops, the nature. You're going to add lots of abundance, lots of love, lots of joy. You have a choice, my dear friend. For the next 2 minutes, just open up. Just open up and let yourself go. Let yourself fly high to what you're capable of, your potential. And just enjoy this journey for the next 2 minutes. And now slowly come back to the present moment. Slowly come back to the present moment. Keep breathing deeply. And now this beautiful visualization of possibilities that you experience is your sanctuary. It's like that place you must come back to every time you feel, every time someone says that this is not possible, you can't do this, or any past memory, or any self-doubt, or any fear, or any anger that pops up. All you have to do is to just set on this journey, pick your bag. You have a choice whether you want to carry all this rubbish in your bag or you want to carry it with all the beautiful things. And just set on your journey into this place where everything is possible, into this place where you can live your dream life. Rub your hands. Lots of blessings to all of you. Lots of blessings to each and every person who has participated in this session. I earnestly pray that you are safe, you are divinely guided and protected, and that you get power in your breath, you get power in your lungs. That with each and every breath, you're breathing in more and more power, strength, inspiration, love, knowledge, strength, courage, peace, happiness, joy, bliss, abundance, calm, excitement, energy, enthusiasm, curiosity, cheerfulness, each and every breath, each and every breath. And with each and every breath out, you will let go of any self-doubt, fear, worry, anxiety, hate, jealousy. Starting from now, this is your life purpose. You will focus on your breath, and with each and every breath in, you're breathing in lots and lots of possibilities, opportunities, love, gratitude, positivity. And with each and every breath out, you're letting go of what's not serving for you. I earnestly pray and bless you that each and every breath empowers you and your being and the people around you. Lots of blessings to your family, your friends, your relatives. And I pray that they are divinely blessed, guided, and protected. Thank you for joining this session. You can all rub your hands really, really, really hard. Just rub your hands, rub. And then you can actually feel the energy coming from your hands. Just touch your hands to your forehead, your head, your neck. Rub your hands once again, nice and hard. Create lots and lots of energy, lots and lots of warmth. And bless your heart, bless your stomach, bless your lower back. And thank you so much for participating. If you can put your cameras on. And I hope you are feeling great. I hope you're feeling great. I hope you're feeling
Thanks for a
energized,
wonderful section.
rejuvenated. Thank you, Naresh ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this.
Amazing. It was really nice, Kalyani.
Thank you
you
so much. Thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much.
Wonderful music and very beautiful meditation. Thank you.
Thank
God
you so
bless you.
Thank
it was
you.
played by your son, na Aditya, na?
The starting, so there is an instrument. This is an instrument called as the happy drum. It is supposed to produce a lot of spiritual sounds. It is tuned to a frequency. So that he played at the start. The other music was music I used from YouTube. So if you want, just send me a personal message. I'll send you the link. तो स्टार्ट में जो बजाया था दैट माय सन प्लेड, उसके बाद जो म्यूजिक प्ले किया वो मैंने YouTube से प्ले किया. तो अगर आपको चाहिए, अच्छा लगा तो मुझे मैसेज कर दीजिए, मैं आपको लिंक दूंगी.
It's wonderful music, Kalyani. I really would love to.
Thank
you. Yeah, sure.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Hello.
much.
Take care.
Bye.
Thank you, Ravina.
Thank you,
Thank you, Pooja. How are you feeling? How are you feeling, Jitendra, Ravina, Prashant?
Very wonderful.
Good, ma'am. Very
Good.
good.
Oh, madam.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you very much,
you,
madam.
Kalyani.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.